Welcome back to the Bohn Legacy. My name is Justin Bohn, and I am a 3-time junior gold champion.
I'm Justin Bohn, junior gold champion.
And I'm Parker Bohn, and I'm a 10-time junior gold parent.
And I'm here today at Royal Pin Expo on lanes 35 and 6, where I won on in 2021. Roll the clip. The Junior Gold Championships is the biggest youth bowling tournament in the world, and that sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming.
But don't worry, we've got 5 essential tips that will help you prepare for this incredible opportunity for bowlers and parents. Let's get into it.
All right, tip number 1, take notes at practice sessions. When you hit the lanes for your very first time at Junior Gold, it's up to you to decide where you want to be on the lanes. Collaborate with your friends, take notes on where the friction is, where the best places to play are, and maybe where the worst places to play are. The more you pay attention in practice and the more notes you have, the better off you'll be when it comes to competition.
Tip number 2, don't take spares for granted. This is a big one. At Junior Gold, every single pin counts, and the best players have the best spare games. Spend time at practices dialing in your spare shooting. Having a reliable spare game could be the difference between making the cut and missing the cut. So have confidence in your spare game because it will make a huge difference in your overall score.
Tip number 3, build your arsenal of equipment. Junior Gold is an event on a variety of different lane conditions, so it's crucial to have the right equipment to match those conditions. This means having a variety of bowling balls for all different lane patterns. A go-to ball for oily conditions, a ball for drier conditions, and even your favorite bowling ball, maybe like a purple hammer. Make sure you're comfortable with every ball in your bag. A well-rounded arsenal will help you adjust quickly and to stay ahead of the competition. And if you're looking for tips on how to build an arsenal, click the link right here or in the description below.
Tip number 4, master the mental game. At Junior Gold, the competition is fierce, and you're not just facing tough lane conditions, you're also facing the pressure of the event itself. Staying calm and focused is key, so here's a professional tip. Have a pre-shot routine and stick to it. Whether it's taking a deep breath, adjusting your grip, or visualizing your shot, having a consistent routine will help you stay grounded when the pressure of the event kicks in.
Tip number 5, have fun and stay positive. It's easy to get caught up in the pressure of the competition, but remember, you're there because you've worked so hard to get to this point. Don't forget to enjoy the experience. Go explore the city and enjoy some time with your friends and family. Stay positive even if the things don't go exactly as planned. Junior Gold is a great opportunity to grow as a bowler, and the memories you make will last you a lifetime. So keep your head up, cheer on your friends, cheer on your teammates, and remember, have some fun.
And here's a bonus tip for the parents out there. Even if you don't know much about bowling, you can still play a huge role in your kids' success at Junior Gold. The key is to be a supportive presence. Let your son or daughter know that you are there for them, whether they are bowling well or not. Positive reinforcement can go a long, long way, and your encouragement can make a big difference.
So remember, stay focused, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay positive. I hope these tips give you the edge you need to perform at your best. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more bowling tips. If you have any other questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. As for now, that's all we've got. Best of luck to all the bowlers and parents out there. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.
See ya. I'm out.